This week at the Handyman Corner, what I'm going to show you is how to operate this powerful electrical device. This right here is it's a belt sander, but I wouldn't advise you sanding your belt with it unless you are really into the celibacy thing. Anyway, let me show you how this works with this little piece of wood I got right here. That reminds me, I wanted to talk about safety goggles. But anyway, so there's something else you can do with the sander. It's good for sanding a big flat surface, like a door here. Now with the door, the first thing you have to decide is which way is the grain going. All right, the grain is going that way. So we sand against the grain. Now you hold her level, a little bit nose up, keep her steady, and bring her down onto the door. All right, that's right too. I forgot, you have to sand with the grain. So what I'll do is just swing the door around. All right. Now, get the sander going and drop her down onto the door. I'm obviously not going to be able to finish this job until I get a longer workbench. So, until next time, remember, if women don't find you handsome, they should at least find you handy.